ya keban pam hapok Jong ke Jylla.
Ka Sorkar Jylla hinin gesngi kala pentikna bakam syamladon ka Kaiphod Halor ka Jingwan Rung tu Jong ki Nongbangladesh. Chief Secretary uba DP Walang uloong bakam syamladon kanu ka Jing'e hasilenter Jong ka Kaiphod Meghalaya bat Bangladesh hakini ki ar lai benai balalen. Ula banjur balayo jingtip na kibor sentaj man la kapor Halor ki jingja hagi than Kaiphod kala ban kata ya ka Jylla bat yakum kini ki jingyo jingtip lai keren lang bat ketanat BSF. Uba walang ulai keren ru Halor ke jingyo jingtip badang shen balayo i ya uwei udrun uba her hajan Jong ka Kaiphod soora bat shela da ka boong ba omla ban batai Halor ke jingtmu Jong kanik ke jingwan her uni udrun lane balai wan her sajan Jong ki than Kaiphod.
All from the border. We are hoping that it will continue. The BSF is keeping a very strong vigil along the border, along with the help of the local Meghalaya police. We are keeping a tab on what is going on. We receive intelligence reports once in a while about what is happening across the border, anything which is likely to impact the state, and information is shared with the BSF. No, we don't have any reports of any illegal immigration at all from Bangladesh. I don't have any specific information about this except that a drone was detected, but the specific technical evaluation of what was the drone doing and what is the strengths, what data it was trying to capture, what data it was trying to analyze, we don't have that information at all with us.
Ka Jylla kan sepenlong ya ka kabinet retreat